the Managing Director at Beckons Academy and the Chief Educator at Beckons Township. सबसे पहले मैं आपको अपने बारे में बताती हूँ that I've been student of PIFD, Pakistan Institute of Fashion Design, and I did my courses from FIT New York. Along with that, I taught at a national grammar school for 1 whole year, और I worked at a corporate level for 8 years at Service Sales Corporation. I've been attached with Beckons from last 8 years plus, and I have taught more than 10,000 students. सबसे पहली बात मैं आप लोगों को ये बताना चाहती हूँ, the Beckons Academy is not a consultancy. It's a pure education where we are training the brains. We are training brain. We are not working with the consultancy. We are getting a lot of calls. बहुत ज़्यादा हमें कॉल्स आती हैं कंसल्टेंसी फॉर्म से कि भाई आप हमें स्टूडेंट्स भेजें, हम बिजनेस भेजते नहीं. वी आर नॉट दैट. We are the pure educationist, and we are educating students, not in the business sector or anything else. There's a huge differentiation. मैं अपने students को हमेशा बताती हूँ. Consultancy और एक education institute में there's a differentiation where we are training you. We are building everything that you need to give examination, because in which country or wherever you are aiming to go, it's not an easy job. हमारा education sector of Pakistan is far behind from the international countries. We have done OA levels, we are aware of the formats, but मेरे पास जब बहुत students आते हैं and I feel really bad that उनकी core competencies नहीं है. They don't have the grammar skills, the vocabulary skills. वो सबसे पहले आके पूछते हैं what we should do. So एक पूरा lifestyle change है. It's not that कि आपने बस एक पेपर को रेडी करना है. It's not that at all. Why Beckons and why we need to promote it and why I'm here to tell you all about. There are 5 things that we work a lot on the students. The first thing is that we develop skills. Skill development is the most important thing that we are keen to work. Skill development is where you will be working on your grammar, on your vocabulary, on your idea creations, on your coherent and cohesion. And then the second thing is the format. कि examination का format क्या है. Every day we are doing 1 module or sometimes we are doing 2 modules. It's kind of a tunnel vision where they are getting the entire full screenshot that what is the format of examination, the time slot, transferring the answers, questions, transferring the questions according to the format and everything. Then we're working a lot on practice, and along with the practice, the 4th step that we're working a lot is the mock examination. आपकी हर जगह पे mock examination, they are charging you 3,000, but it's not the word thing that 3,000. Mock examination आपकी पूरी format से गुजरता है. First we go with the format, then we go with the skill development, practice, and then we come towards the mock examination. मेरे से अभी तक जितने भी students पढ़ चुके हैं, there are more than 10,000 students now over the 8-year plus. Where they are always welcome whenever they want to give the paper. उनको mock examination, वो बेशक मेरा 3 महीने पुराना student हो, 6 महीने पुराना student, so they are always there कि जब उन्होंने examination के लिए they have to go, the mock examination is free of cost for them. And mock examination is the clear screenshot for the student. It's not necessary कि बच्चे ने घर बैठ के exam देने, but when they're coming towards the campus, they're sitting there and they are doing the examination with the same format, in the same time slot. When they're doing it, they are actually managing the stress. That is the 5th most important thing that we need to train the student before going into the examination hall, and that is the stress management. And if the student cannot feel the stress and cannot face the stress in our academy, it's very difficult for them to face it in the examination hall. So wo jo anxiety attacks and everything, that they need to face it when they are at our academy. So we try our level best that students should face, and that is the key word of mouth from the students. They are saying कि जब भी हम यहाँ से paper करके we're going towards examination room, we are almost done, we are the same, we do not fear that thing. Stress management is the most important, because there's a huge differentiation between doing exam in boards in the schools and then going for the IELTS. इसमें सारा examination stress होता है, students का career stress होता है, monetary stress होता है, and when they are taking this all step in the examination room, they are not able to give 100%. So bringing them back, cleaning their mind, it's not only just I'm again telling you, education is not only teaching them, it's also training them. So we are training the brains. And I would like to tell you about my course, because I am the chief educator in the township branch, and I am teaching from morning like 8:30 a.m. till I have session till 5 p.m. So from 8:30 to 10 in the morning I'm taking PT, and then my first session of IELTS is 10 to 12. The second session is from 12 to 2 p.m. and the third session that I take is from 3 to 5 p.m. So I'm taking 3 sessions of IELTS and 1 session in PT, and I lock my sessions after 1 week. I do not do the running courses, whether they are 5 students, whether they are 15 students, whether they are 20 students. I lock my sessions after 5 weeks, because I train them with the initial week, and then I have made my plan according to week, at the week level basically, and then I train them till the mock. So मैं अपने students, I lock my sessions after 1 entire week, and I take them for the entire course, like a course training for 5 to 6 weeks. And the third thing that I really want to tell about is my advanced spoken English classes, that they are online, and I take them from Monday to Thursday from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. And in this session, this is online and I take it on Zoom. It's a very good session where we are discussing everything in international language, and we have different topics, and it's all about your idea creation, how you're developing conversation with other person, developing your ideas. So it's very good for the corporate and as well as for the students to join this session. In the advanced session, we do have weekly plans as well. We do have it in sessions going live with the video calls as well. So that is all I want to tell you. Thank you.